Hello everyone and welcome. In this session we will learn how to use Python in Dynamo. This will enable you to solve advanced level problems and even enable you to create custom nodes. Use this built-in node to access Python. It basically consists of an input and an output. Right-click to edit the Python code. The lines at the beginning are for loading libraries and Python standards. Do not delete them to avoid errors. Anything you write after hashtag in Python is considered as a note, as shown in the first line. You need to have basic knowledge in Python to understand its concepts. The sentence here represents a variable, and its value equals the invariable. In this Python script node, the invariable represents its input. I will connect a number node to see how it works. The output here is by default 0. I will replace it with the input variable name. After running the Python code, the node output value will change. You can change the variable name if you wish. Or change the input number. You can also create a list of inputs. In this case, it consists of two numbers. You can also simplify the Python code by relying on the node variables. The outputs are in sublist. If you wish to move them to the main list, add the square brackets to the input name. The square brackets in Python are used to define lists. I will add x variable for simplicity. Then add one more input to the list. And one output called result, which will be defined as a list. Add a line with the variable name, followed by append order, then choose a random value, in brackets to test it. Change the output variable to the new one. Then run the code and notice the change. Change it to x of 0 and keep your eyes on the outputs. The index of 0 is for the first variable in the x list, holding a 6 as a value. While the index of 1 is for the second variable, and the index of 2 is for the third variable. But if you chose non-defined index value, the result will be null. For part of the list, separate the two indices by colon. Note that the last value will be excluded. This could be solved by adding 1 to the list's length. Now I will show you how Python deals with different types of Dynamo inputs. We mainly have a number, a string, and Boolean. You can define the input variable by more than list separated by comma, or combine them using plus. In this case, the two inputs shall be from the same type. Otherwise, the result will be null. In this example, the first and the last list items are numbers, therefore we can combine them. This is the end of this session. Thank you.